If I had known that tonight would be the last, I'd have held you tighter, made each moment last, before the time slipped like sand through our hands. This is the love we left behind, the words we never said, the nights we tried. We walked away, but the echoes still remain. Every unspoken thought, every quiet pain. And even though we're worlds apart tonight, I still feel the love we left behind.